G'day ladies and gents, welcome to Xrissart. I'm Chrissy, thanks for joining me. If this is the first time you visited, welcome. And if you would like to view more of my videos, please consider subscribing and perhaps give it a thumbs up. If you're enjoying this video, I occasionally share ideas and painting techniques and live stream from time to time. And don't forget to click the bell icon, that way you don't miss out on any videos as I upload them. Well, I've been sidetracked again from my continuing element playing card deck project. That was hard to say. And I painted a new creature. This little painting was inspired by Elise Wong Creations, Elise from Elise Wong Creations. And I'll put a link down in the description box below where she was painting and inventing new creatures digitally during a live stream I was hanging out on. Elise was combining different characteristics of different animals and making new ones just for fun. So I'm piggybacking on that idea and I decided to create one of my own. I was thinking of all sorts of combinations and there were so many options, where do you start? So I came up with the idea of combining a seahorse and a swan. And so the name I've given it is SeaSwan. And then I thought of, maybe Swan Sea, which probably sounds even better actually, but I've called it SeaSwan. And then I was thinking, what medium should I use? I was going to use gouache, but I chickened out and I did it in pastels. But I'll be using gouache in a future project, so watch this space. So I started this SeaSwan in a live stream, of which I'll put a pop-up card linked at the top of the right hand of the screen, where you can see how this little creature was created in an almost real time. And later I'll put all the details, I put all the details in Pastel Pencils. But we had a lot of fun on this live stream, and we do quite a lot. There's a little community, and you're all welcome to join in. It's usually, you having to watch me do many stuff ups, and it gets a bit funny sometimes. So the art supplies I used were PanPastels, mostly, and Pastel Pencils for details on Pastelmat. Surprise, surprise. I'll list all the supplies in the description box below. So, while I was creating this cute little painting, it made me think as an artist, why do I draw? Why do I paint? Why do I create, for that matter? Or, it could be in sculpture, which I haven't done, which I'd love to do one day, photography, or anything like that. And it all comes down to, I enjoy art, so much. And I've seen some really awesome work that artists do, and it just inspires me to keep producing art. I mean, sure, there are times when I say, not quite sure if this is a masterpiece, or perhaps I could have painted and drawn that a little bit different or better. And I know I've said this before on various occasions, and I keep on saying it, and I'll probably keep on saying it. We shouldn't put pressure on ourselves, thinking, like I haven't got my painting quite right, or, other people will be criticizing my work, or I can't do this or draw that. But you know what I say? I say nonsense to that. Nonsense. And sure, I say this to myself at times as well, so I'm guilty as well. And I know my style of art is not for everyone, but I enjoy the themes I paint, and so I keep on painting and drawing and enjoy doing it. I mean, what a lovely pastime it is. I mean, I would love to do this for a living, maybe one day. Or maybe you guys can let me know what your thoughts are, like why do you create art, or why do you like painting or drawing? But for me, I love art and the art community I'm involved with. My problem is, it's so much art, so little time.